Isn't this the best color? I think that would look so good on anybody. I would totally wear that with just jeans. Wouldn't that be so cute? I think you'd look in that color, right? I mean, that's a really great color. It'd be great for anybody's size. I think this is the cutest. This is the shirt I came in, and it's in lemon, so I'm gonna put it on a little bit. It's the best fit because it's super slim, and I think they make them in great colors. I just love the colors. All blues. Okay, these I'm trying on. Look at those. Aren't those great? With a heel or with flats or tennis shoes? Love those. For me, in the summertime, this is the perfect, like, nice sweatpant. These are like a bathing suit material. They've got a side zip. But I would really just lay around in these, but I'd also be able to dress them up. I mean, I've got on these cute wedges that are from here. Those great. And if you wanted, you could be wearing flats, depending on how long your legs are. But if I'm wearing just these around the house, I feel like I'm a little bit more dressed up and not so, you know, casual.
Right.
So this is that shirt I was talking about. Like, if you only had one white t-shirt, this would be it. Because it's V-neck. It does have the collar. You could pop it. You could wear it, you know, wide.
Right.
But I just think it's so great looking. And these are really high-waisted. So you have to wear something a little shorter. Because if you wear something too long, it's going to hit you here.
Oh.
And that's not a good look.
Okay, so
I would go like this.
yeah, that's cute.
That's how I would wear it. And I would probably button this. Let me just see here. Yeah, so I would do this, okay? And if I were wearing this great bag with its camel leather and the camel shoes, it's amazing. That's a great outfit. And this is the lemon shirt that they sold. I think you're sold out of these, aren't you?
In the store we are. I don't know if we are online.
I think this shirt is the cutest. Isn't it so fresh and
Really cute.
And anyway, so these jeans, same thing. Totally stretchy. They don't have the exposed button, but you could wear like any high heel flat tennis shoe. I mean, those are flattering on anybody. What if you were wearing this and this and this? Boom, done, outfit. These are like the perfect length. Look, they kind of, you know, they're not too long, they're not too short. They're totally appropriate. Pockets. I love these shorts, but I'm in love with this sweater. This comes in a light blue color and a dark blue color and white, I think. But for me to have both in one, I swear to God, I think this would look good on anybody. You know? And you could wear this, I would only wear this with a skinny jean or a skinny white jean because of this, but I would also do like a half top, you know, and I would just kind of keep it casual. I mean, this is something I would be playing golf in for sure. I mean, I'm often looking for different golf skirts. I can't find any. And it has pockets, people. You know, I love the pockets. Isn't that so great? Love it.
The skirt is a nice length.
Yeah, it's not too short because there are a lot of clubs, you can't go to some clubs and play golf if the skirt is too short. But like if we were going over to the Harbor Club to have lunch, this would be so great. It'd be so cute. You could even wear it with like a navy blue sweater, you know, long sleeve and just like even a tennis shoe, you know?
Well, that's cute.
Yeah, this is a really, like, I just want to look at it. I mean, that is so cute. And if you don't like your like midsection, you know, if you're one of those people, and you could also, like, if I wanted to tuck it in, can anybody tell that I'm looking in a mirror? That's how I'm able to do this. You could totally still tuck it in. And then, you know, you have a whole different shirt. But if you're one of those that wants to let it hang out, then you wear it with a skinnier jean pant like this. That is so cute. Once again, J.McLaughlin, oh, it's not my style. You know what? Yes, it is.